want me to just do it? You just stay out of it. Ready? Get out of the way.
Yeah, okay.
We get out. No, out of it. G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Feral's Tired. Get ready for the best time you're going to have with your clothes on.
There you go, welcome back to another episode. That's it. We'll let you do it.
Done! Doesn't have to be difficult, Marilyn. Jesus!
Everything's difficult with me. Ask Cody.
Oh, this tastes so good! Now rewatch that on your phone and tell me that wasn't the best intro you could have had. And that was so easy and natural.
I've been standing here, I've been like, how can I intro this? I've been stuffing up. I'll play those at the end. And then Drew just took over. So that's our start of our episode. We're gonna roll into the clips. We've just been out in the dunes and we've just come to this beach that we've never been to before. I'm gonna throw the drone up, get some lunch ready, but I'll roll in the clips from before and we'll get stuck into it.
Travel down the road I walk alone, yeah. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go?
I've had these tire deflators since my first four-wheel drive, since I was like 19. They're all broken. They do the trick, but you can't leave them. So I'd have to do 2 tires at a time, otherwise it lets them go too much. Just gonna drop mine down to 15, just to begin with, see how it goes. I think Drew's gonna go 10 because he doesn't want to get bogged. He wants me to get bogged. So I'm just gonna go 15, see how we go. If you start getting stuck, I'll drop down to 12, 10. We'll see. I accidentally left them on too long, so they're down to 12. That one's down to like almost 10, so there we go. Drew's dropping his down to 20. So I hope he gets bogged first. One thing I do need to be careful of with all this full driving and corrugations is my rooftop tent, because I definitely don't want a repeat of Shark Bay.
Yeah, that's fair enough. We can check it periodically if need be.
Yeah, that's right. I got tools in the bag, but I don't have any more like bolts and whatnot. So, if not, got any straps?
Duct tape, cable ties, straps.
That's all we need then. So, my last trip that I just came back from, Dakota and I were heading out to, I think it was like Cape Perrin or something.
And worst case scenario, we can bear grill it, grill it and drink our own.
Oh, hopefully it does then, because that's my favourite. Yeah, so anyway, like I was saying, and the corrugation was so gnarly that the bolts on the back of my rooftop tent, the brackets, slipped off and my rooftop tent moved to the point where I almost lost my rooftop tent. Lucky someone stopped and helped me put it back together just enough for me to turn around and head like an hour and a half home. So we never ended up making it to Cape Perrin. Oh yeah, and then I had to go to the hardware store and I had to try and makeshift something to last, and then ended up figuring out what the whole reason behind it was, and then we ended up shifting it and now it's fine, but just hope I don't get another repeat of all of that happening, because if I lose my rooftop tent and it comes off, it's that heavy that I don't know if Drew and I would be able to lift it over our heads back on, and that thing's staying on the side of the road. Whatever, it is what it is. I'm hungry. Of course I am. I'm always hungry. I'm fading away. Oh.
Mom, focus driving. You're like,
What are you doing? Are you doing plop plops? This isn't the plop plop station. To be doing plop plops.
No, you did a plop plop.
When?
Alright.
I don't do that. I'm a lady. We don't do plop plops.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't. And we don't do pop offs either.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
You did the biggest one.
We whisper in our knickers. It's different. made it. He went a little bit further that side, so I'm going to give it a go. See if I make it. Berries, baby. Got it. The view looks pretty good from up here.
Come on.
That side, yeah, not this side, because Drew's going to come back up. Bunny flies are around. Yeah, hanging around. Nasty little things. Get out! Get out! All right. Ladies first. Moments like these, I bet you wish you had a white car still.
Yeah, very much.
Yeah, I wish you could just be like, right, we're here, cracking a beer, we're getting into it, here's another episode.
Big.
Also, make sure you check out feralstire.co, grab yourself a hoodie before the sun gets too hot and you miss out. We've got kids Ferals Tire, salty rat bag shirts, and we've got a new range dropping really soon too, so make sure you get on the website and keep an eye on that. Or follow the social media. I'll keep you updated regardless. See this little device here, right, for my camera? You go on Google, you type it in, none of them are under $100 really, right? I found this off Shein for $14. And you can attach a microphone or like a little light, everything. You don't need the best to get started. Just remember that.
Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. Oh, this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
So Dakota and I, we were just walking up over here and just going for a bit of an explore, and we've seen like a really good sized fish. So I packed the gidgee. I'm gonna try my luck. Hopefully it's still there. What do you reckon? Will I have much luck? All right, just be careful, it's slippery. Okay. Literally just there. But they're too far out for me to get them with a spear, but I have a hand line in the car and I got some tackle and I'm gonna catch a crab I'm gonna hook that up. I'm gonna try my luck. Oh, they better still be there when I get back because I gotta go run all the way over there now. This is the second time. Oh, I'm gonna leave this just in case I get closer. What is that dark thing? I'm gonna leave that right there. I'll be back for you, my love. Give it a go. I'm gonna try a plastic instead of using a crab, but I'll take this just in case I do catch one. So I don't know if I like the chances of this. I didn't do that very good. Well, I had absolutely no luck with those fish. I tried getting them close enough for the spear. I tried even the hand line. Nothing was really working. And I went for a walk all the way up to the rocks and back. There was nothing else there. We're going to end the episode here, guys. I'm going to throw the drone up. We have to find another track out because we don't want to take that track. So yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned.
Didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. When I'm wiser, when I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost.
Alright. Should crack it now or do it after I do a little cheers?
I'll sign off it with one finger crackers.
One finger crackers.
Go fuck it up.
G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. No, see now, fuck it. We just had, we just played out in the dunes. No, see that doesn't